What's up, everybody? This is Leon again. I'm here with my boy Kenneth Carter.
You.
And we have the unboxing of the Gigabit A320M S2H motherboard. We're using this for our computer build for Mr. Carter. And without further ado, let's just get into this. We're going to keep this short and sweet. All right, so here's the box. We're just going to open that bad boy up and see what we have. It comes out of the box very easily. Sliding that. Okay, right here we have our SATA cables. It's got two of them. One of them is a 90 degree, one of them straight. As you can see, look at that. 90 degree, right there, 90 degree, and the other one's straight. All right, here. I heard you. Why don't you open it up and let us look at it? I heard you. Here we go. There we go. 90 degrees straight. It's too long enough to fit to spread all the way across your case if need be. All right, that's that. Here, let's put it there. All right, now what's this? Oh, this was hiding. I/O shield, input/output shield. Be careful with these. You will cut your finger on them if you're not careful. All right, that's a promise. YouTube tossed that. All right, and this is the motherboard. It comes in its own static case. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna be very careful. They got some good tape on here. Whew. Some good tape. All right. Here we go. All right, here we go. Motherboard. Old school mouse, keyboard, input, output. You never know if we go beyond Thunderdome. DVI, VGA, HDMI, 4 USB 3, 2 USB 2, Ethernet, headphone, speaker, can't remember, microphone, auxiliary. I remember. Okay. As you can see, it's got 2 slots for RAM. Like I said, we're using the 8 gigabit stick. It's got a 24-pin power supply adapter. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 SATA inputs there. What else we got? PCI slot, 1 PCI slot for graphics card, 2 PCIe's for other networking inputs. Let's see, what else we got? Of course, fans, and we got a 6 gig Molex processors going there. We got AMD, that's an AMD chipset processor. And what am I missing, people? Leave it in the comment. What am I missing? Fans. Oh, it's got a M2 slot for M2 memory. That makes this upgradable. That's good. That's a good thing. Everybody loves M2 nowadays, but M2 is so expensive. All right. But that's the motherboard. I like that it's black and it's pretty. If you got any questions about this, leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell for notifications. May the Lord bless you and keep you. Peace out.